We at ASUS strive to be of utmost support and relevance to the needs of the institutions, the teachers, and of course also the students.
In support of the ongoing transformation in education, ASUS has created a series of simple yet powerful education-driven devices to assist schools like the Meradian School in enabling progressive learning in a fast-paced world in the new normal.
With ASUS Edukasyon Partnership Program, TMSI aims to enforce digital learning through quality devices and digital programs, enhance our teachers' and students' skills in technological advances,